Okay, so we are here at the home. I'm going to start outside first to give you an idea of what the neighborhood looks like. And then we'll go inside, and then I'll come back out and show you the outbuildings. So that is the road that you're going to come in on. There is a back alleyway behind the property that you can drive in on as well. Right there on the other side is where the lake is. The docks are going to be down this road and off to the right with a little pathway that goes down to it. So not very far at all, just right down that hill. You've got your double car garage here. There's a shed on the back side of that we'll go and take a look at as well. But she did say that this used to be a carport, but they use it as a porch. So versatile. So we're going to head inside now. Okay, so when you enter, nice open layout. Here is the living space. Nice big windows. Kitchen space. This goes down to the bedrooms. We'll go in that area here shortly. You've got some closet space here. Very large closet, goes all the way down to here. And you have a gas-fired fireplace, gas operated, kitchen space, gas cooktop stove, got your wall oven there. And this looks like a quartz countertop. You have your pantry. She did mention that when they relocated from Colorado, they hadn't moved in yet when they bought it, and that while they were gone, their water heater had flooded the house. So they ended up actually gutting it all down to the studs and redoing all of this back in about 2005, 2006. So a lot of this stuff is pretty much brand new and redone. You've got this little sunken in area. This again goes back outside. And we'll go out there here in a moment. You've got a back deck area. And we will head back up and around the corner. Down the hall. Here is furnace and water heater. Right there. Then you have bathroom. And then we have a spare bedroom. That looks to be like a queen or a full-size bed. Again, a very nice large closet space, goes all the way down there and goes back. Shelving above. You've got another closet over here. This one feels like it's a little bit deeper. And then here at the end of the hallway, you've got a linen closet. Here's your other room. So we've got closet space here.
It's a gun closet, it locks.
A gun closet. And then another, you've got very large closets in here.
Yes.
That's nice. You can never have too much storage space.
Yeah.
You've got your attic access here. Again, another very deep closet that goes all the way down. And then you have your master. And it walks off to that back patio as well. Washer and dryer. You've got your water softening system. And then coming on this way, you have your bathroom. And then shower and toilet. And you also have extra storage here, linen space. Lots of storage here in the home. Got more access up there. Okay, so that's the inside. We're gonna head outside. And we'll go around. So she says that they have a lot of stuff in here right now, but it will be cleaned out here pretty soon. I think like the first to second week of June is when she's planning on doing that. But she is moving to Florida, so she's got a big move ahead of her. So this is the back deck. So that was that space off that sunroom area. And then you've got your master that comes off down there as well. That's that back alleyway I was talking about. It's back here. And it connects over to the main road. So she said there's power here, and that there's been family that's come with their camper or RV, you know, and parks it here. So that's nice to have as an option. And this here is that back shed. She said they pretty much used it for like lawn equipment and such. But it is somewhat attached, I guess you could say, to the garage, just not access because it was built on after the fact. So as you can see, that's that space. All concreted in, so you could tell that they added it on. That used to be the window there. But you could probably add a door, possibly, if you wanted to connect the space. And we're going to go around and in through this door to the garage. This is nice. So you can come over here without getting rained on. I'll turn on some lights here. Okay, so here we are. Got his AC unit over there to cool it off in the summertime. Looks like he's got a little heater here as well. And it connects over this way. Back from this angle so you can kind of see the layout from this side. Everything's in really great condition. I mean, they've really kept everything well maintained, which is really nice. This was kind of his space that he liked to tinker in, she said. So, like I said, they are supposed to be starting to clean stuff out here in a few weeks. And then start preparing for her to move. So, but that is the garage space. Coming back out here. And just back up to the front again. So you can kind of see the other side a little bit better from the standpoint of coming from the road. Kind of give you an idea of the space between the neighbors on this side. And then I'll go around the other side as well so you can kind of see the difference in spacing there. So this is this side. And then that'll get you down into the crawl space area here. Right there. That'll take us down to the crawl space. And then it takes you right back over here to the patio. Here's a septic system. She said they did have it moved back in 2005 or so when they did all the renovations. It was a lot closer to the house. You've got your clean out here. But very well maintained. I didn't see any red flag items throughout. I mean, it's all been really well taken care of. And they've done quite a bit to it since they've been here. So, newer HVAC systems and such. Water heaters newer as well. But overall, really in great shape. And that concludes the tour.